Hello, family. What y'all doing today? What y'all cooking for them husbands? What y'all cooking for the good men that bring home the bacon? What y'all cooking? I got me some Mexican rice going right now. I did some thin pork chops. I didn't want the big pork chops. I just did the thin layer ones with some a little all season. And I used my Sass by Miss Quad. It's real good. And I just threw on some sweet peas or something to go with it. So I did some sweet peas. Little sweet peas with it. And I did a little broccoli soup. I like a little broccoli on the side. And this Italian rice I'm trying, y'all. Okay, that's some Italian rice. See how it tastes. Should have a good flavor. And that's what we're going to do. Italian rice is good. So I'm trying some Italian rice. We're not rice people. My husband wanted some rice today. And I just season them on both sides. Put me a little bit water. Just a little bit to get them tender. And I baked them. Put some oil on them. And a little season. Add a little black pepper to give it taste of flavor. And in the oven it went. Very simple. Business boss housewife. This is what I love to do. All about family. My husband do not like no TV dinners and stopping by, getting stuff out of the streets. Because, I mean, that food sometimes, when they come and deliver that DoorDash, sometimes that stuff be all over the place. Them people be having dogs and cats up in their cars and stuff like that. It's not good. Very few you're going to find that's going to deliver. And then a lot of times they be playing up in your food. I didn't have stuff here delivered where the ice cream and stuff had then melted all down. It could be right around the corner. Also the food halfway leaning out the plates and stuff. I'm like, I can't eat like that, family. I got to have my food right. The Italian rice is good, y'all. Italian rice is good. I know my pork chops probably soft. Soft. Let's see. Let me just cut a little piece and see. Let me just see what I'm working with first. Nothing like tasting your own food. Oh, yeah. How about taking a shower? Taste them. Let's see. The sweet peas with a little honey in them. A little broccoli soup. Just taste a little bit. You got to taste your own food first. Everything good. Y'all have a nice day. Business Boss Housewife. B Teal 911. I'm Brenda Teal 911 on YouTube. Y'all have a blessed night.